Imam Hassan Al-Askari, the 11th Imam of the Ahlul Bayt, lived in a time of oppression under the Abbasid Caliphate, yet his heart remained devoted to Allah and the teachings of his ancestors. The Abbasid rulers, threatened by his knowledge and influence, kept him under strict surveillance and often in house arrest, trying to silence the light of the Ahlul Bayt. Despite restrictions, Imam Hassan Al-Askari guided the faithful, nurtured the community, and preserved the teachings of Islam through secretive and wise communication. Tragically, the Imam was martyred in 260 AH, poisoned by the rulers who feared his leadership, yet his message could not be extinguished. His martyrdom reminds us of courage, patience, and unwavering faith in the face of tyranny, leaving a legacy of guidance and hope for generations. Imam Hassan Al-Askari, a life of wisdom, a legacy of faith,